viewers, in today's math class, let us solve the given question written on the board. If 9 all over 4 raised to the power 9 over 4 is equal to x multiplied by root 6, then what will be the value of x? We dive in. Solution: 9 over 4 raised to the power 9 over 4 is equal to x root 6. We want to find x. But then 9 over 4 can be written as 3 all over 2 to the power of 2. Then all multiplied by the power of 9 over 4. Okay? Because 3 raised to the power 2 is 9 and 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Okay. This is equal to x multiplied by root 6. But 9 over 4 is the same thing as 2 1 over 4. And it's also the same thing as 2 plus 1 all over 4. Okay? Therefore, I can write 3 all over 2 raised to the power 2. Then all to the power of 9 over 4, which is equal to 2 1 over 4, equal to 2 plus 1 over 4. I can now replace 9 over 4 with what I have there as 2 plus 1 all over 4, all in bracket. Everything is equal to the square root of 6 multiplied by x. Okay, applying the exponential law that says x, a raised to the power x plus y is the same as a raised to the power r. Let me use this. A raised to the power x all to the power of y is equal to a raised to the power xy. That is what I will apply here. Okay? Good. Therefore, I will write 3 all over 2 to the power of 2. We multiply into this bracket like I have done here. That becomes 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then plus 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 will give me 1 all over 2. That is 2 by 1 over 4 is equal to 2 over 4 equal to 1 over 2. Very correct. This is what I have now, and everything is equal to x, then root 6. Then, what I wanted to write here can be expressed as x, a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y. What does it mean? That a raised to the power x plus y is equal to a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y. I will apply it at this step. Therefore, it can be written as 3 all over 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 all over 2, then to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to x root 6. I have applied this law. Okay? Good. Moving forward, I can now have it 3 raised to the power 4 over 2. 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 is the same thing as 8 to 1 all over 16. How? 3 over 2 to the power of 4 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 all over 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times each. And that will give us 81 all over 16. Then multiply by the square root of 3 all over 2 equal to x root 6. Why? Because 3 over 2 all to the power of half is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. That I said. Okay. I have root 6 by the right. I want to achieve the same thing by the left. And the only way to do that is to have it written as then the square root of this 3 multiplied by 2 and then 2 multiplied by 2. You know, nothing is wrong if I multiply the numerator by 2 and also multiply the denominator by 2. It means the equation is still balanced. So nothing is wrong with that. That is very, very correct. My target for doing this is to achieve having square root of 6 by the left hand side. And that means I'll have 81 all over 16 multiplied by the square root of 6 all over 4 equal to x root 6. Okay? Moving forward, this can be written as 81 all over 16 multiplied by root 6 all over root 4 equal to x root 6. This is 81 all over 16 multiplied by root 6 all over 4 all over 2, that is square root of 4, is equal to x root 6. I can divide both sides of the equation by root 6 in order to get the actual value of x. And that means 81 multiplied by root 6, all over 16 times 2, which is 32, multiplied by root 6 is equal to x. What I have done is that I have divided both sides of the equation by root 6, okay? Moving root 6 to this side, or if you like, then root 6 over root 6. So I'm dividing both sides of the equation by root 6. Therefore, root 6 will cancel out root 6, and then you can agree with me here that root 6 also can cancel out this root 6. Eventually, I now have here left as x equal to 81 all over 32. And this is the final answer that I am looking for. Okay? Therefore, in conclusion, the value of x in the given equation is equal to 81 all over 32. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel to talk latest locally. Bye for now.